Hello all, I am Dr. Madhvi Tanna and today I have a story to share. This story is about Saathi, a woman-driven healthcare car rally or automobile rally. People know me as the dentist, but they do not know that I am also the founder of Saathi Rally. Now, how did this start? Why did this start? What is the motive behind it? I want to talk about it to all of you. How did it start? So usually around the month of March, we have a lot of public events that walk around women health care or oral health or overall health, because March marks International Women's Day as well as World Oral Health Day. Now in India, oral health has been paid very less importance upon, and also the awareness is very less. So I thought that let's create a women activity or public event, but also try to inculcate the importance of oral health and its effect on overall health. Why women? Women are the best teachers. So if a woman is educated, she is going to educate her family, she is also going to educate the society, and eventually she is going to educate more number of women, more the effect. So if they know about oral health and its effects on overall health, there are high chances that the whole family is going to be aware. So that is why we targeted that we will do this on and around International Women's Day and in honor of World Oral Health. Now, how did it start? It started because of a lot of messy events that I attended during this time, where always the motive of the event would be sell a product or to sell the organization to women, and never about in general celebrating women or celebrating a cause. Now this event that I started, Saathi, was serving both purposes. We wanted to celebrate the women that drive and multitask every day. We also wanted to promote the oral health awareness. So that's how it started, with the baby idea in my head. And while I was plotting this idea, I had a friend walk in and he said, "What are you doing?" And I said, "I'm thinking of this idea. I don't know how rubbish it sounds to you." But he got excited listening to it and he also joined on. So it's been 3 years now. We have done Saathi 1.0, that's how we started. We did Saathi 2.0, we did Saathi 3.0 this year. And all these 3 years have been amazingly beautiful. So there is a short gift for all because they are participating for such a good cause. And then we have special gift for youngest member on board, oldest member on board. We have women who are pregnant and then still getting on board with us. In all, like, how are these healthy ways, or what are the diseases that affect your body and what is the cure for it? So even if there is a homemaker, even if there is a tailor, even if there is a fashion designer, how they are improvising the society and what is their gift to the society. So it is a celebration that we have for one day and we absolutely enjoy. So in such case, we have a very strong support that is supported through every year, and that is Dr. Dhaval Godhain from Salus Hospital. He is the founder of Salus Hospital and a strong support system for Saathi and also for women who want to achieve their dreams. He has always been a guide, is being a helper through everything. One-stop solution for me to make Saathi possible every day. We are extremely grateful for Dr. Darshita Belisha because she has always supported us through all these 3 consecutive years. She is a pathologist by profession, but she is the former mayor of Rajkot and MLA of Gujarat. Likewise, like her, we have a lot of other people who support the women system, who support the women's courage, the empowerment, and the kind of change we are trying to bring to the society of Rajkot. Through this, we also wish to connect with people. We also wish to spread more dental awareness, more health awareness, and we also try to spread the spirit of women. But for today, I am happy that we have celebrated 3 great successful years of Saathi. And we hope that we are able to do this next year also. I hope you have been a part of this rally. Share us in the comments below if you have ever participated in Saathi rally, if you ever want, and if yes, we are going to connect with you and we are going to make Saathi 4.0 an even bigger success.